TOEFL Random Vocabulary.
Hello everyone, here's today's vocabulary. Fabricate, content, rub, harm, overlook, threaten, burgeon. Fabricate. Fabricate. The scientist was accused of fabricating the laboratory findings.
その科学者は実験結果を捏造したことを非難された。
The scientist was accused of fabricating the laboratory findings. The scientist was accused of fabricating the laboratory findings. Content. Content. I am content with my position in this company.
私はこの会社での立場に満足しています。
I am content with my position in this company. I am content with my position in this company. Rub. Rub. The cat rubbed itself against the chair.
猫はその椅子に体をこすりつけた。
The cat rubbed itself against the chair. The cat rubbed itself against the chair. Harm. Harm. Taking too many pills could harm your health.
薬を飲みすぎると健康に害を及ぼす可能性がある。
Taking too many pills could harm your health. Taking too many pills could harm your health. Overlook. Overlook. The detective overlooked an important clue.
刑事は重要な手がかりを見落とした。
The detective overlooked an important clue. The detective overlooked an important clue. Threaten. Threaten. Air pollution is threatening the earth.
大気汚染は地球を脅かしている。
Air pollution is threatening the earth. Air pollution is threatening the earth. Burgeon. Burgeon. Running clubs have burgeoned over the past decade.
ランニングクラブは過去10年間で急速に発展している。
Running clubs have burgeoned over the past decade. Running clubs have burgeoned over the past decade.
Thanks for watching. Remember, listen, repeat, and listen again. See you next time.